Hello, today we're going to learn a song by McDowell's. I'm going to be playing in the key of C. I surrender all to you. I surrender all to you. Okay, so these are the chords that I used. The first chord is chord 2, and I'm playing A, C, D, F, and on my left I'm playing D, A, D. So from 2 I play chord 6. Chord A, C, E, and I added the fifth note to it, right? And I played an A, E. This is also my sixth note. Okay, so this is suspended fifth. This is my chord, which is I played a S, G, D. This one is G, A, B, D. Right, this is the actual fifth chord. Now, what I played was the suspended chord G, C, D. So I only added it octave, which is right. So surrender to everything I give to you, withholding nothing. Okay, so this is where I play my fourth chord, F, C. Then I play F, G, A, C. Right. From here, you move to your sixth chord without this, and then you come back to your fifth chord without playing the suspended. Withholding nothing, withholding nothing. So the part where we say yes, this your chord 1, which is C, G, C, and then G, C, D, E. Yes, we say yes. This is my fifth chord. We say yes, 6, 5, 4. All right. So these are the notes and the chords that I used, and the progression follows through in other keys. So your second chord 2, 6, 5, 4, 1. These are the chords in the song, and I believe this tutorial will help you to be able to play. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thank you.